Hey guys, today I want to teach you how to play one of my favorite games called Snap, Crackle, Pop. To get started, we're going to go over the rules on how to properly throw a ball overhand. The first step I'd like to go over is the drawback phase. During the drawback phase, all movements should be projected away from your target. As demonstrated in the picture, during this phase, your throwing arm is drawn directly backwards, while the opposing foot remains forward. Moving on to our second step is the release phase. During the release phase, all movements should be performed in the direction of the throw. This means your throwing arm should proceed in an up and over motion, finishing pointing in the direction of your target. Remember, throughout this phase, your opposing foot should also point in the direction of your target. And lastly, the third step, known as the follow-through. The follow-through phase includes all movements performed after the release of the ball. During this phase, your throwing arm should now proceed in a cross and downwards motion. Now that we've gone over the ground rules on how to properly throw overhand, let's check out the setup for Snap, Crackle, Pop. Keeping in mind the developmental age of the participants, blow up 2 to 3 balloons for each group at an appropriate size and tape them to the wall. Next, you'll need to choose a ball that's a suitable size for your participants. Here's an example of 4 different ball sizes and types that could be used. Now that you've collected all the materials necessary to play Snap, Crackle, Pop, divide all your participants into even groups. In a relay format, participants should be asked to line up at a point far enough away from the target to challenge the participants but still be suitable for everyone in the group. When instructed to begin, use the ball in an overhand throwing motion to pop the balloon as your target. The team who successfully pops all their balloons first wins. And remember guys, always have fun and don't forget to congratulate your opponents.